False. No, 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 not given. But there's a contradiction. The false are.
What happened? Where are you lost?
Ma'am, look at this question. Is it false or not given? And how do we distinguish between false and not given?
So a new confusion, true, false, not given?
Yes.
I'll explain you. See, whatever the question asks, अगर passage उसको confirm करता है, उसको correct prove करता है, तो it goes into a true category. अगर जो question पूछ रहा है उसका information passage में थोड़ा incomplete है, पूरा information नहीं मिल रहा है, then it is not given. If suppose the question को whatever the question is asked, अगर वो passage में गलत prove हो जाता है, if it is proved to be incorrect in the passage, तब वो false चला जाता है.
You mean to say when there is a contradiction?
No, no, no. See, contradiction is a very strong word. Every contradiction is not going to give you a false answer.
Okay.
उसके लिए आपको समझना पड़ेगा true false not given को हमने कैसे ढूंढना है passage में, how to search it in the passage. True false not given में सबसे पहले देखना है question किसके बारे में है, question is about what. That has to be searched in the passage, जो कि आपका question का subject होता है. दूसरा part is verification, जिसको आपने verify करना होता है passage में.
I did not get it, ma'am.
I'll explain you with an example. Suppose question बोल रहा है the roof of the building looks like a sails of a sailing ship.
Okay.
The roof of the building looks like a sails of a sailing ship. Passage बोल रहा है the building looks like a sails of a sailing ship. So what should be the answer?
False.
क्यों?
Because there is a contradiction.
कहाँ पर है contradiction?
It is not the roof that looks like a sails of a sailing ship, but it is the building.
See, I just explained you answer false जब होता है तो question को passage में गलत prove होना चाहिए. अगर building looks like a sails of a sailing ship है तो roof ऐसी नहीं है, ये तो नहीं लिखा, हो सकता है roof भी ऐसी हो या पता नहीं roof कैसे हो. तो question हमारा roof के बारे में था ना. So that part is not given. वो तो बता ही नहीं रहा roof कैसी लिखती है.
Right, then it is not given.
Yes, you are right, absolutely.
And this is where I was getting stuck. Thank you, ma'am.
My pleasure, Mimansha.
I hope we answered some of your doubts related to false and not given. We have lots more to share. Comment down below your other IELTS related queries. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.